academic literature. Dr. Bhagwat's multifaceted career reflects his dedication to advancing pharmaceutical sciences and support the growth of innovative enterprises. Please join me in warm welcome our respected speaker, Dr. Monik Raja, by giving a round of applause. So I would like to invite you on the stage and give a motivation speech to all the dedicated and all the students present.
कोई बात नहीं, वो एक ही है, पहले वो था फिर यूनिवर्सिटी बन गया वो।
So good morning all.
पहले हाँ पूरा लिखना चाहते हो, पूरा लिख लो। हाँ
So thank you for a nice introduction, madam. And thank you Bhagwat Institute to invite invitation.
उनका हाँ शील्ड का तो पता नहीं, उनका सर्टिफिकेट दे दी मैंने।
So our startup is Mutanex Genomics Private Limited. It is based on artificial intelligence employed for genetic analysis and personalized medicine services. So just a moment. So Mutanex, it is our startup AI-driven genetic analysis and precision medicine services. So first of all, we will understand what is artificial intelligence. So from yesterday you are listening about artificial intelligence. We will see best example of artificial intelligence is next Jarvis. I think most of you know this Jarvis thing. In Iron Man, Jarvis is a robot, okay? So that is the best example of artificial intelligence. Next. So artificial intelligence is of two types, narrow AI and generative AI. So what is narrow AI? Like we are using nowadays image recognition, speech recognition, Google translation. Those all are the examples of narrow AI. And generative AI, the best example of Gen AI is Jarvis. It is still yet not possible to get to generative AI. Next. So here are currently employed technology. Jarvis is a dream, but till date, what we have achieved. So we have achieved like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the best example of artificial intelligence. Except that Alexa, Cortana, Siri, all these are the examples of artificial intelligence. And the best example is Tesla. Tesla uses artificial intelligence for driverless car. Okay. So next, artificial intelligence is not new to all of you. Okay. So the first word artificial intelligence was proposed in 1953. Okay. So 1953 the first word was proposed, and after that the discovery was started. I am mainly focusing on the healthcare. So in healthcare, for diagnosis, for symptom analysis, for antibiotic prescription, and for different disease, artificial intelligence is used. The best example is in 2003, the Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project, it is like pioneering the artificial intelligence to promote healthcare, the Human Genome Project. And then after next, so after that, first FDA approved artificial intelligence software, that is Audrey, was approved. It was used to scan MRI in seconds. So Audrey scans MRI in seconds. And next, so this Cedar Sinai Institute, it works in this field for so long time. And Google DeepMind, it uses artificial intelligence to predict the structure of protein from amino acid sequences, and it is the revolution in the field of healthcare and protein database. And right now, if we look at FDA approved artificial intelligence services, so almost 91 services have been approved till 2022 by US FDA. So artificial intelligence is our future, okay, in healthcare. So next, These are the field in which artificial intelligence used till now. But out of these, the last field, personalized medicine. Personalized medicine, no one has touched this field in using artificial intelligence. So we are trying to get some hint for this, and we have developed Mutanex. Next. So this is the total drug development processes and where we can use artificial intelligence. Next. So in this, there are drug discovery phase, drug development phase, formulation stage, and PKPD stage, advent profile. Everywhere people are using artificial intelligence, but in healthcare, personalized medicine. So what is the meaning of personalized medicine? According to your genetic sequence, dosage, form, and drug, and those requirements are different, and you need to get those dose. Like one person need 500 milligram PCM, but the same PCM is required around 400 milligram for another person. So we have figured out it using this Mutanet software. Next. So what is the problem in precision medicine right now? So before going there, there are n number of genetic disorders are in the world, okay, and the treatment for these genetic disorders are highly costly. Next, so genetic sequences is very difficult and the personalized treatment takes a very long time, and there is a lack of real-time analysis. Real-time analysis means the drug gene interaction caused ADRs, adverse drug reaction, and which lead to death of the people. Okay, next. So these are around more than 6,000 genetic disorders have been already identified, and most of them have no significant treatment. So we are focusing on genetic disorders and mainly on the cancer. Okay, next. So here is the one example. This is Roscoe family who have developed kidney disorder, and most of these family members die because of kidney disorder, but no one has figured out until 2017. Okay, so after discovering all these, it was found that these family have mutation in MUC1 gene, MUC1 gene, and because of that they develop kidney disorder, and most of the family members die because of kidney failures. Okay. Next example, best example is Alfredo Ferrari. He is the elder son of Enzo Ferrari, Ferrari company's boss. Okay, so Alfredo Ferrari died at just age of 24 because of genetic disorder, Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. Okay, he was suffering from this disorder, and he is like billionaire, but there is no treatment. He has money but no treatment. So his son died because of this at just the age of 24. So these are the trial and error method drawback. Like if we look at this currently employed treatment, so cancer, for cancer it is just 25% efficacy. Other people don't survive. In other disorder like Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, the currently available drugs are not much efficient. So to overcome this, moreover there are drug gene interaction. Drug gene interaction means due to this drug gene interaction there are n number of adverse drug reactions are there, and adverse drug reaction is the top amongst top 10 cause in which people die. Okay, so to overcome all these, we have developed Mutanex, that is AI driven genetic analysis and personalized medicine services. Okay, next. So what is the problem in precision medicine? It is not like that precision medicine services is not available, but the current problem with precision medicine is it is slow, expensive, and complex. So currently employed precision medicine services is like patient went to doctor. If we have some disease, so patient went to doctor, then doctor suggest a laboratory report, so patient went to laboratory, and then the laboratory sample collection and DNA extraction will done, then after genetic analysis will done, the patient will receive genetic report from laboratory. After receiving genetic report, patient again go to doctor, so there are big panel, okay, big panel, multidisciplinary board meeting will be there. They will identify pathogenicity, mutation in particulars, genetic sequences, okay, and from that clinical test the patient will get these precision report, okay. So which are the steps? Laboratory, then sample collection, DNA extraction and culture analysis, genetic report, and the most time taken by his multidisciplinary team, okay. So the panel of doctor will sit there and they will analyze everything, and after the analysis it will take 2 to 4 weeks time, and after that analysis the precision medicine will come for the patient, okay. So this is the problem, okay. What is the problem? This whole process takes around 4 to 8 weeks, starting from patient going to lab. So lab, then genetic analysis and its report, and after that clinicians meeting. All these take around 4 to 8 weeks, and it costs around 1000 to 2000 US dollar. So it is very costly, it is time consuming, and the process is totally fragmented. Patient have to go here and there everywhere who is already suffered from some disease. So these are the problem in current scenario, and because of this only 8% of the patient receive precision medicine services, okay, who have time, who have money, and who have patience. So this is current scenario in our healthcare system. So these cost human. Next. So these are, so who are not going for precision medicine, they go for trial and error, and because of that they receive ineffective treatment, and more than 1700 people die daily because of ineffective treatment. And it is not like that one size fits all. So 92% of chronic patients suffering because of not receiving precision medicine treatment. And lastly, increase ADRs. So increase ADRs, and because of drug gene interaction, they have to suffer to death. Okay, next. So introducing Mutanex. So what Mutanex provide next? So we have reduced the time. Which time? So 4 to 8 weeks time we have reduced it to minutes. Okay, 15 to 30 minutes you will receive your personalized report. It is much more cheaper, like it was earlier $1000 to $2000 price. Now we have developed this software Mutanex, which give you personalized report in hundreds of dollars, and the process is very simplified. Patient doesn't need to go everywhere for this treatment. So these are the advantages. There are mainly 3 advantages of Mutanex. So first advantage is like cheaper, second advantage less time consuming, and third advantage is simple process. So this is traditional route, like as I have discussed earlier, patient go to lab and all these processes is there. So we have bypassed all these processes, and Mutanex provide directly precision medicine report. Patient went to doctor, and doctor use our software, enter every details, symptoms and report in the software, and patient will directly receive personalized medicine treatment. So thus it reduces time and it becomes cost effective. Next, so the key features are like complete journey of patient will receive complete journey of healthcare. they receive pathogenicity report without any kind of testing, and this is collaborative approach with pharmaceutical field and healthcare field. Next, so to know whether patient will adopt our solution or not, we did one survey. Okay, in our survey, we take a Google form and we ask patient that however they are interested for precision medicine service or not. So we have carried out our survey. We have carried out our survey in 137 patients, and out of these 137 patients, 62.8% patients say yes for precision medicine, and around 14% patients say they likely to use. So mostly strong interested patients are more than 60%, and other 15% are likely to use. So this is the survey. Next survey is for how much they will pay for this kind of service. So next survey was carried out in patient willingness to pay, and around more than 60% say they can pay around $15 to $20 for this kind of services. So here we can get our product in market. Next, we have carried out survey in patients, but the software ultimately will be used by doctor. So next we started our survey with a doctor. So we carry out our survey with doctor whether next. So we asked them, would you consider using the platform to doctors? And we have carried out this survey, and 50% of doctors show interest. Okay, and 40% of doctors say they may be, if they will first check what is the proper scenario, and after that they will use. So around 90% of doctors, they are willing to use these kind of services, artificial intelligence in personalized medicine services. Next, so after that, next we are trying to go for factor analysis, in which we will see how many patients are really willing to pay the money. Next, so our business model is like we have three business model. First is like commission based appointments. So patient will come to us and we tell patient for, and we suggest patient for particular doctors. Second is subscription based model for clinics and hospitals, and third one is for laboratory for genetic analysis purpose. These three are our business model. Next, so market size. So before going to market size, next our projection is like we thought to develop our market within 5 years up to 2030. We are thinking of $100 million companies. Okay, so we have gone through our market size. So first, next. So SOM, that is serviceable obtainable market, is around 2.6 billion, and SAM, that is serviceable address market, is around 52 billion, and total addressable market, that is global market, is around $5.2 billion, and you can develop this product like anything. Okay, so next. This is my team working very hard to develop this Mutanex genomics. These two are the students from Doctor of Pharmacy. So they are PharmD students, Isha and Saiful. Nishant is our AIML guy, and last one is myself, Maulik Waja. Next, we also have advisory board. So we have very strong advisory board who gave us advice. So I would like to acknowledge them also. Next. And talking about achievement, I will tell a short story of us. So in 2022, two students came to me, we want to do something different from this educational like exams and all. So I have one project in mind, so I discussed with them and I assigned them work, and they are working very hard. So we have applied first for IIT Kanpur and we got selected over there. So first started with IIT Kanpur, then we went to IIT Bombay, ECEL IIT Bombay, and we won the competition named Eureka. So we won that Eureka competition, and then we are the finalist at Princeton University, USA. Finalist at Princeton University, USA. We right now my team is sitting in Singapore. We have been selected for Entrepreneur in Residence program by Antler. Antler is the one of the biggest VC firm in the world. Moreover, we have received some prizes from like IIT Kharagpur. Like we are the part of full prize of like 1.2 crore from IIT Kharagpur. We have been selected by Vibrant Gujarat, then Hult Prize, and moreover we have also received 8 lakh rupees grant from government of India under Atal Incubation Center. So these are our achievements, and our research partner like UK Biobank, Genome India Project, United People Global, 1000 Genome Project. These all are our research partners. Next. And looking at the summary, so if we look at the summary, Mutanex integrate genetic analysis, mutation detection and personalized medicine services in single platform. We have reduced time. The earlier time was 4 to 8 weeks. It is reduced to 15 to 30 minutes. Money initially it was $1,000 to $2,000. It is reduced to hundreds of dollars, and the patient have to suffer. The process was fragmented. We made this process simple by using Mutanex. So this is all about our startup, and still many people are still suffering from chronic disease and genetic disorder, and this is the worldwide problem which need to be addressed by personalized medicine, and we have tried this. So this is all about Mutanex. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Thank you everyone. If you have any question, you can ask. So thank you so much everyone for your kind attention.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vajamali, for your enlightening and thought-provoking keynote address. Your insight into pharmaceutical innovation and AI-driven advancements have truly inspired us. Your expertise and dedication to research continue to pave the way the transformative development in the industry. Once again, thank you so much, sir. It is a privilege to introduce a distinguished expert in pharmaceutical research and development, respected Dr. Rajesh Agarwalji, today's guest of honor. He is the General Manager of R&D at Modi Honda Pharma Meerut and a visionary in the field of drug innovation and formulation. With years of expertise in research, and his contribution have been instrumental in advancing pharmaceutical technologies and groundbreaking solutions to the industry. His dedication to innovation and excellence continues to inspire many in the field. Thank you for your presence. We are grateful to you. Give a big round of applause for Dr. Rajesh Agarwalji. I welcome you, sir. Please take a seat on the stage. I also welcome Principal of BIMS, respected Dr. Ajay Kumar Sharma ji. I request him to please take their respected seat on the stage. Please provide badge to Principal of BIMS. I also welcome other faculties from BIMS department they come and grace the occasion. Thank you so much to all. Please, sir, give a big round of applause to all the dignitaries on the stage. Dr. Vajamali, it was totally a nice presentation. As a token of our appreciation and gratitude, we would now like to felicitate Dr. Vajamali with a gratitude of recognition. For that, I request our respected director sir to kindly come forward with, along with other dignitaries, to honor the Dr. Vajamali. Thank you so much once again, sir, for your time. Hello. I think Augustine sir wants to ask some questions from Dr. Maulik Raja. Sir, please. Sir, please come forward.
First of all, I would like to thank you. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Maulik for the wonderful presentation on the AI. As he said, all of us will know today the whole world lies on AI. So I have one question in my mind because he presented on mechanics. So I have one question in my mind. Do you think that we can bypass clinical trial today using only AI to predict the side effect of any drug without going through phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 clinical trial? This is the question that I had in my mind. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for asking this question. One of my friend is in UK. He is trying AI for this only. So bypassing this phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 clinical trial, and he is trying very hard. He has one startup, Accenture. So this soon we will receive news about this. Like personalized, I am trying on personalized medicine. He is trying for this clinical trial related. So bypassing this clinical trial using artificial intelligence. But the problem is like accuracy and all these. All at the end, artificial intelligence is by machine only. So clinical trial bypassing this is very big task. So he is trying. Let's hope for the best. Soon he will complete these works. So that's the. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Thank you, sir. Actually, I also want to ask one question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as we have entered in a startup, so many of the students have so many ideas in their mind, but due to less availability of things or equipment, their ideas kept in their mind only. So how they will means join a company or a startup so that they can do good in future?
So very nice question. Thank you, madam. And for your idea, you have to work for extra work. Like I told, these are my students. Two students are there. They work every day for 16 hours. Okay. They are topper in our university. They pass their exam and they top the exams. Moreover, they work for startup and because of their hard work, you have to give extra time to for yourself. Okay, not just like that in startup. If you are doing job and you will give extra time, you will be recognized. Okay, so extra time, give your time to your idea and go to the person who can understand you because you are at very initial level, so you have not access to everything, so you have to identify to whom I have to meet and to whom I have to discuss my idea, who can understand and who can take it to the next level. So you have to identify the person, that is the most important thing. And the most important thing is hard work only, nothing else. Okay, smart people tell about smart work and don't hard work. It is not like that. No shortcut is there in this field. You have to do hard work. So they are sitting in Singapore And right now they are also working minimum 12 hours a day for our startup promotion and everything. Yeah, that's it. Thank
So
you.
much, sir. Sir, is there any government agencies which help our students to go on and startup? Any government agencies?
There are n number of government agencies like India have mission Startup India mission. Under that Atal Incubation Center is there, and big institutes like IITs, NITs, they promote these startups. And startup in under Startup India policy, they provide initial grant for your idea. Just if you have a good idea, they will give 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees according to your idea for your idea to proof of concept POC. And after that, if you have MVP, then you can have crores of funding just like us. So we are sitting at Antler and we have received around 5-6 crore of funding till date, okay, from different agencies. So there are n number of agency, there are n number of people, not just agency, but people are also there who are willing to invest in you, okay, who have very good experience in their career. They will guide you, they will take you to the next step, and they will invest his time as well as his money into you if you have any one good idea. Okay, so if I talk about myself, except this Mutanex, I am also guiding 6 more startups and they are in pipeline. So it is like that.
Sir, we would like to join you in future if we will get chance.
Sure.
Like any students want to ask any question? This is a big platform where you can ask your questions that are in your mind regarding startups, AI. Is there anyone? Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Now I request Dr. Anurag Vijay Agarwal ji to present the planter and memento to Dr. Rajesh Agarwal ji, General Manager R&D and Modi Munna Pharma Meerut. Please give a big round of applause. Along with other dignitaries also.
ये अगर फैकल्टी को मिल जाए
Thank you so much, sir, for your time in your busy schedule. We are thankful to you.
It is an absolute honor to introduce one of the most respected speakers in the pharmaceutical industry, a visionary leader who has dedicated his career to bridging the gap between research and real-world applications. His contribution to pharmaceutical innovations and industry-academia collaborations have paved the way for groundbreaking advancement. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Rajesh Agarwal, General Manager of Research and Development of Modi Pharma Private Limited, Meerut. In this role, he oversees the R&D activities across various pharmaceutical dosage forms, including liquids, injections, ophthalmic products, semi-solids, and oral formulations. Beyond his corporation responsibilities, Dr. Agarwal is an active member of pharmaceutical community. He holds the position of exclusive committee member at the Indian Pharmaceutical Association IPA Delhi branch, contributing to the advancement of pharmaceutical sciences and practices in the region. Dr. Agarwal is also recognized for his engagement with academics industry. For instance, he has participated in events at the KITE group of institutions, sharing his expertise with the students and faculty. Dr. Agarwal extends his significant contribution to the pharmaceutical field. I would like to say, please give a big round of applause for the welcoming of the sir. And now, I would like to invite him